Hello and welcome back to the next tutorial in this series. Okay, today I just want to make some modifications to the character's position, so I'm just going to press 0 from here and just roll the mouse wheel to zoom in. I'm just going to pull this over slightly. Okay, and I'm just going to select his head, Control, and press I and just insert a location rotation scale to that one. Going to roll the mouse wheel to zoom in. Okay, so I'm going to come down here to the timeline and just right click and drag this slightly to the right, just as the controls are starting to come down. I might just drag it back here. Okay, I'm going to select his head and just drag back. I might just press and hold shift and the middle mouse button just to pan this down and just roll the mouse wheel to zoom in. Okay, I'm just going to come down here and maybe select this and drag it back a little bit more. And I'm going to press I to insert a keyframe and left click location rotation scale. And I might do the same thing here for this bone at this particular time. I'm going to press I and location rotation scale, and as we roll on and these come down, they're very close to him, so I'm just going to get him to slightly move back. I'm going to grab this here and just press I, location rotation. Okay, I'm just going to press and hold the middle mouse button just to rotate around and select his head and just drag this forward in the x-axis so he's looking down at it as it's coming, and press I, location rotation. Okay, I'm just going to scrub on and maybe just put in a keyframe here, so I, location rotation. I just wanted to start from here, and as that's rotating I just want his head to start looking back. To about here, press I, location rotation scale, and I'm just going to snap back to this here and select his torso, Control, and press I, location rotation. Okay, and again select his head, Control, and just roll this forward, and his torso, and just press Alt R and press I and location rotation. Okay, and then just scrub on a little bit more. So maybe we can select his head and just rotate as he's watching it going up. You can press I there and insert a keyframe for the location, the rotation, and the scale. Now just come down here and drag this. Just going to roll the mouse wheel just to zoom that in a little bit. And I might just press Alt R for here and press I, location rotation. Maybe just drag this so he's looking up over his head. Maybe the same, just insert one, so press I, location rotation, and do the same thing here. Press I, location rotation, and just again drag on this and just rotate his head to follow it, and press I, location rotation scale. Okay, and that's more or less the character, or what I'm going to do with the character anyway for that part. So I'm just going to press Control S and I'm going to save that. Okay. And I think that's going to be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.